Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Hotmail password without phone tested method step by step clearly. To reset your Hotmail password without a phone, first, open your web browser. Type in the Hotmail login page URL and press enter. On the login page, click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to the password reset page. Select the option that states you do not have access to your phone. Enter your Hotmail email address and complete the CAPTCHA verification. Click on Next to proceed to the account recovery options. You may see recovery email addresses associated with your account. If you have access to any of these email addresses, select one and click Send Code. Check your recovery email inbox for the code that Hotmail just sent. Enter the code in the provided field and click on Next. If you do not have access to any recovery emails, click on I don't have any of these. You will then be prompted to answer security questions, if set up previously. Answer the questions as accurately as possible and click Next. If you don't remember the answers or haven't set up security questions, click on Try and provide as much information as possible on the form. This includes details like previous passwords, account creation date, and folder names. After submitting the form, wait for Hotmail to respond. They will communicate the next steps through your registered email. Once you receive the confirmation, follow the instructions to reset your password. Choose a strong, new password that you haven't used before. Confirm the new password and hit Finish or Save. Now, log into your Hotmail account using the new password. Remember to update your recovery options to avoid future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.